Saturday afternoon booty call with Boudicca, the guardian dog. The sheep are happy in this field behind me and the pasture is holding up very well. I got some very cool stuff in the mail in the last couple of weeks and I've been saving it up for a day like today to show you. I'll just get Boudicca fed and then we'll do a little unboxing. Oh, I don't want to keep her waiting. Yes, I know. I know. There you go. So here is a box that my friends at Kubota sent to the farm. It came right around my birthday, which is at the end of August, but it was sitting under a couple of things in our shipping and receiving and we just didn't notice. So going to do this little unboxing here. This is cool. All right, so got a nice Tilly hat. I don't know, is it me? But we got a good Yeti cooler cup. It's gonna be awesome. We have a tiki torch / speaker. So this helps with those long workshop days. And a picnic blanket with a nice Kubota on it. This is all part of celebrating Kubota's 50th anniversary in Canada. And I can tell you that they are excellent to work with and we are always appreciative of the service we get from our friends at Kubota. Thank you for this box. I'm very sorry that we didn't see it earlier. Now this box has come from Spear Seeds and is paid for by Ontario Soil and Crop. In here are thousands and thousands of wildflower seeds that we are going to plant out in our rewilding area. So how cool is this? So this is for Operation Pollinator. So in total, we have 46 pounds of fresh seeds that I am going to plant as soon as we get a frost. It's called frost seeding, so we'll do a separate video for that. What are you doing? Silly dog.